Have you been having stress and delay in buying USDT on Bybit? Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way you can just buy USDT without stress, without looking for buyer, without looking for price or different kind of rates that you are seeing. Now, all you need to do is to click on this deposit part here. Click on deposit. You'll see that you have P2P here. You have buy with Naira, you have deposit with crypto. Now, we are going to be using this buy with Naira. A lot of people don't know how easy and how simple this is. So click on buy with Naira. Then how much are you going to buy? Today, I'm going to be purchasing the amount of 100,000 Naira to 100,000 for this video. Now, have you seen it now? It has already shown me the amount I'm going to receive in USDT. So I'm going to click on this next. So after clicking on the next, look at this part very well. You can see that you are seeing this thing that is saying estimated 3 hours. No, we are not going to be choosing this one. It's also bank transfer. That one is also bank transfer, but we're going to be going for the second one, which is this one. So we're not going to use this one. If you use this one, it might be telling you to do some verification, put your NIN or put your national ID or anything. But this one, as long as your Bybit is already verified before, we are going straight to the point in buying USDT on Bybit, the easiest way. So now I'm going to click on it. Click on this bank transfer that is down here. Remember, not the first one, the second one. You can see how this logo looks like. So then I'm going to click on buy with Naira. Then the next thing is going to show you the amount you are paying and the amount per dollar and the amount you're going to receive. So I'm going to click on this, which means I'm confirming the purchase. Now it's going to take me straight to P2P and look for the perfect buyer for me instead of me searching one by one for a perfect buyer. Now look at it now. I have the option to pay now. I'm going to transfer money to this person's account. So as you can see here, after clicking on that part and pay, I have the name of the seller, and I have the account number of the seller, the bank of the seller. This place here is where you can chat with the seller. So right now I'm going to copy the bank account of the seller and I'm going to transfer money to this seller immediately. Now, as you can see, I've already pasted the person's account number on my PalmPay. Now you can see this, and then I'm going to transfer to this person's account. I'm going to type 100,000 Naira. As you know, I said I'm going to send 100,000 Naira to this person's account. In case you have visited my channel for the first time, my name is Finance TV, and as you can see, I have been uploading different videos on this channel, and a lot of people have been watching and making money through the videos I upload on my channel. So right now, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification beside the subscribe button so as for you to be notified anytime I upload new video on this channel. Make sure you join my WhatsApp channel and my Telegram channel. I'm going to be adding it to the description of every video. So you have also seen comments from people who have really watched my video and make money through my video or solve their problem using my video, which I uploaded on my YouTube channel. Also, please, after watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. As you can see, 100,000 Naira has just been sent to this person's account. So now let's go back. So now that I've paid, the next thing I'm going to do that is very important that you should do is to make sure you click on payments completed. Click on payments completed. Click on payments completed. So as you can see, you are going to mark this part here. Make sure you click this part here to make sure that this part is marked. So once you click on these two parts here, it's going to mark. Have you seen it? So and once it is marked, the next thing you need to do is to click on this confirm. So immediately you confirm, it's going to display this way. As you can see, now you can chat with the seller from that place. Can you see? It said kindly read notice before you proceed with payment, and make sure you also read information like this before you make payments. As you can see here, he has already released my crypto. As you can see, have you seen it now? So this is the amount I paid for completed. So then I'll go back, then I'll go and check if once I go back like this. Have you seen it? I've received my crypto to my funding account. So from here, I can transfer to anybody. I can use it to trade from this part here. Now, you are going to be curious. You want to ask me that, what will happen if this seller did not pay my USDT after payment? So I'm going to let you know that your funds or your money is protected by Bybit. This is how it works exactly. Once You click an order. Once you start that you want to pay for USDT, the amount you want to pay for is going to be locked by Bybit. Bybit already locked the amount. So the seller cannot move the money from his account. The seller cannot sell it to another person. Do you understand that? Because you have already said you want to buy, you have already started an order. So until you pay and you make sure you click on complete payment, then the seller doesn't have any other option than to release to you. If you guys have payment issue, maybe you transfer, maybe your bank have issue or his bank have issue, or they say slow in receiving payment, then the only thing you can do is to chat him through that chat box which I just showed you. You're going to chat him there, then you guys can sort the thing out. But it is very sure that your funds cannot be stolen except you transfer money to a wrong account number. But as long as you transfer money to the person's account, and you also need to note that you must send money through the same name as you used to register on Bybit. The name he also used to register on Bybit is the same name that is on his account. Do you understand that? So I believe today you already understand how to buy USDT on Bybit with the easiest method.